And we're back. There's probably no difference between this one and the other problems. You're just going to combine like terms. The only difference is that you're allowed to get a fraction as an answer. This is true for any equation. Fractions are perfectly allowed as answers to equations. In fact, linear equations will most often, if you pick them at random, have fractions as answers. I've purposefully chosen ones that have integer, that means whole number answers for you, but in this case, they are not going to. So I'm going to start off, combine like terms. We got 2x from combining those first two terms. Minus 7 minus 15, that's minus 22. And on the other side, we combine like terms. The negative 14 and negative 3x will combine to give negative 17x. Negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. Now I will move all my x's to the same side of the equation. You can choose to put them on the right or on the left. I'm choosing to put my x's all on the right-hand side. And I'm going to put all of my constants on the left. So the 22's will go away and the 17x's will go away over here. I'm going to be left with 19x equals 23. See, I picked an equation at random, and all of a sudden, the answer doesn't seem to make any sense. How can you have something times 19 equal 23? If that thing is a fraction, it's perfectly fine. And that's the most common thing that you're going to see. So x is simply 23 over 19. You could simplify that fraction if you want, but you don't need to. In this case, both 23 and 19 have no common factors, so they cannot be simplified any further. That's all there is to it. It's the same as the previous one, but your answer can be a fraction. Never be scared of fractions. Fractions are wonderful. Do not simplify it into a decimal. I repeat, do not make it a decimal because you're introducing some slight errors to the situation. 23 divided by 19 is not a very clean looking decimal, and if you express it as a decimal, you're going to have to round it, and if you round it, it's not going to be the same answer. So leave it as a fraction.